Hi there, I'm Duviau Damien. I'm the executive chef of Nobu in Dubai in Atlantis the Palm, and I'm going to show you how to make one of our signature dish, which is the Salmon New Style. If you want to make it at home, you can follow the ingredient list in our description. Let me show you how to remove the skin. Just make a nice incision with a very sharp knife. You see, I'm going out with a very nice and clean piece of salmon. So now the next part is to slice the salmon. First of all, I'm going to make a first cut. I'm not going to use this part. I just want to have the angle of the fish. Now is the time to cut each slice. You see, with a sharp knife, it's very easy to cut. If it's too thin, it's going to be overcooked after searing the fish. If it's too thick, you're going to have too much raw flavor in the mouth. When you put under the light, you can see almost through. The salmon is sliced. We just need to arrange it in a plate. Just put the plate on the front of you and use your finger and just put it nicely on the plate. Next step, we're going to prepare the ginger. We're going to cut a nice cube out of it. And now, again, one more time, very important, sharp knife. And you're going to slice a few pieces. So you're going to put on top of each other. And same, we're going to just slice some small stripe of it. And you're done with the ginger. As you can see, it's very thin. Next, the chives. We're going to cut same size of the ginger. So you just have to take few of them, put them on top of the chives, and just slice the same size. All your chives are ready and the same size. And the last thing we need to cut is the Japanese daikon. Get a nice piece out of it, and you just peel it. Make it flat, and you can start to cut very small slice. Put it on top of each other, and after, be carefully with your sharp knife, you cut. We're gonna put a little bit of garlic puree on top of each slice. On top of each slice, we're gonna put 2-3 pieces of ginger. We're gonna do the same thing with the chives. So you put, let's say, 2 pieces of chives on top of each slice. The salmon is ready. And now we're gonna prepare some of the sauces. We're gonna make some yuzu soya sauce. We're gonna put 3 spoons of soya sauce and 1 spoon of yuzu juice. So you mix together. Next one, we're gonna prepare an olive oil and sesame mix that we're gonna use to cook the fish or to sear the fish at the end. 1 spoon of sesame oil, 5 spoons of olive oil. Mix it well together. So now, let's finish the dish. We just need a pan, a ladle, and that's all. So you just make it hot. Just put the sesame oil inside. And we're gonna have to make it very hot. You have to be smoky. Here, we're gonna put the yuzu and the soya sauce on top of the fish, like 3 spoons. Then after, we're gonna put a little bit of sesame seed. So now, take the oil, do very careful, and you hear the salmon, the sesame seed, the chive, the ginger to sear with the hot oil, and you can see the salmon changing color. And the final touch of the dish will be to put a little bit of the daikon that we prepared earlier together on top of it. And what we use in Nobu also to bring another texture, another flavor, is some of this freeze-dry cherry tomato. We're just gonna put on top. Just in case you cannot find this freeze-dried cherry tomato, you can just take some cherry tomato, peel them, and then just marinate with a little bit of oil, little bit of herbs, a little bit of salt, and it will be as good as this one. Thanks for watching and enjoy cooking. Bye bye, thank you so much.